Everybody, we are now exiting IKEA in Burbank, California, and we are going to take the elevator back down as it is. Come on, hurry up. It's huge. As it is the actual exit to the store.
No, there's only an escalator going up. You guys walk down stairs.
See, watch. There's the inside of the store. And then we'll be in the parking lot when the door opens.
It's alright, man.
What is
Wanna
this?
drive home? Rest of them?
And then when it opens,
It's not too bad from here. Just be
you're in the parking lot.
Straight shot from here, huh?
I want to watch the door close. And then there goes the door. It says it's the entrance to the store. Okay, that's about it.